Hey, it's Lines, and the other day I demonstrated using in-string searching, and then someone asked also about man, what was it that they wanted to look for? Oh yeah, use an array in it, and it doesn't take that. What I forgot actually is there's a helpful command instead of a function called contains, and so I want to document here because it's a little, to me it's a little quirky. It doesn't the contains actually one's not too bad. It's the in one that to me doesn't, it works almost reverse of what I would have thought. So first off here I have my text where it's the quick brown fox jumps over lady dog, and then this is, I'll explain this part here in a minute. So if the text contains, like let's say let's start off with brown or the letter Z, or let's do one more, or so you cut, they're comma delimited and but, right? So let's see, brown. Actually, brown is going to find. So brown. What's that? Brown. All right, that doesn't make sense. But I'm going to run this. Okay, now it didn't contain any of those, so it got to this else and said it doesn't contain any of them. Now this also assumes you don't care which one it finds, because that one I don't think it actually ever tells you which one it found. But let's say I change this to brown now and rerun it, and so hey, it found brown. Let's change this back to something it's not, but let's put in fox. Okay, now it found one of those, right? So you can have a common delimited list, and then here's the nice one, which if you had, if your list actually had a comma in it, if what you were searching for, actually I need to put a comma here. So there's this is going to look for dog, actually dog butt, not. Actually, let's have some more fun. It's going to look for a dog butt. Dog, comma, butt. But this, and let me make sure I get rid of this one so it doesn't find it. So it still found that. And so when you need to have a comma in there, the way you escape it is to add a second comma in your list. And so the other thing I really like about this is, let's say I just wanted to, like let's say some words are like jumps, could be jumps, jumped, jumping, right, whatever. Well, if I just put in jump, let me go ahead and get rid of the rest of this. Now when I run this, it's still going to find it because it contained the word, it contained the characters jump, so it doesn't have to match exactly. That is a really nice function in this part. So it's anywhere in there. I really like that. Makes sense to me. Great. Let me go ahead and shift F1. In Studio, that'll block out inline comment the entire thing. And now let's go down to the second one. I should have shift F1, but I didn't. Anyway, what's interesting is the in is when AutoHotkey the command. I would think it would look for any one of these exact matches, because the documentation says it has to be an exact match. So if any of these are in here, that it would find it, and notice that it actually has these, right? So I would think, hey, it would find it, but it didn't match any, and it was, to me, it's puzzling. And what I realized was it's more of an equals. I think it should be like it is. It has to be exactly matching the entire text that you're matching against. So if this is exe and I rerun it, now it found it. Or if it's BAT, it'll find it. Actually, you know, I'm not sure. Let's see if it's case sensitive. My guess is, oh, no, it's not. All right, so it's not case sensitive, yet it has to, I don't know how you want to say that. It has to case insensitively match exactly what's there. So I just want to document those two because they're commands, which means they're super fast. I would rather have them personally in a function, which I can just include right in my code if I'm using it in somewhere else. But they are good to have, that good to realize that you can do, and that's about it. Thanks.